Hello, it's Sheila from the libraries, and I would like to do a scientific experiment with you today. And today we're going to be looking at invisible ink. Now, invisible ink has been used over the centuries to send secret messages to others. And all you need is things that you've probably got at home to be able to do this. You just need some lemon juice, and I've got a little bit of lemon juice, just a tiny bit in the bottom of this container. I'm going to use a cotton bud, a Q-tip, just so that I can write with the lemon juice, just a piece of paper, and you also need something like an iron. Now, if you are doing this experiment at home, because you'll be using a hot iron, you must have adult supervision for this one. So the first thing we do is we just write our message. So it's as simple as that. So we just dip the cotton bud into the lemon juice. Just make sure you've got plenty on it. And then for this one, all I'm going to do is I'm just going to write my name, just as a nice little test. And then I turn it around, and hopefully you might just be able to see that really faintly. It says Sheila on it. It's very, very faint. And what happens is we leave that to dry for about 15-20 minutes, or even longer if you've put quite a lot of lemon juice on it. So we just want that to dry completely, and then your writing disappears. It's just gone. Well, you think it's just gone, but it hasn't really. It's actually still just sitting there, which is a very, very clever thing. And you can send this message to somebody, and if they know how to reveal it, then they will be able to see your message that you've sent. So I'm going to put this to one side, and I'm going to pause my camera for a second, because I'm going to have to change my camera angle slightly so that you can actually see a little bit more. So just 1 second and I'll be back. So that's me back again, and the most important thing I've got now is my iron, and my iron is incredibly hot, so you want to have it at a really hot, high temperature, and this is why you must have an adult supervising if you want to do this experiment at home. So all we're going to do is we're now just going to run the iron over and over our message, and it will start to be revealed. So I will just start to do that, and I'm about to go out of camera shot a wee bit because I need to get my full weight over this. So what actually is happening is the lemon juice contains carbon compounds, and when it's heated, some of the chemical bonds break and carbon is released. So the message ends up being revealed, and it just reacts slightly with the particles in the paper. That's why we get this coming through. So I think we've probably got enough now. So I'm going to put my hot iron to one side, and I'm going to sit back a bit so that you can see me, and hopefully, I'm hoping you'll all be able to read my secret message. It says invisible writing, and that is how you send secret messages to each other, or certainly one of the ways, and it's so simple to do as well. So hopefully you might enjoy giving this a go, but as I say, you must have an adult with you whilst using a hot iron. So thanks a lot for watching, and happy secret message sending.